Hey! Today, I'm showing you how to turn your text ads into awesome videos using RenderLion's Text Ad to Video Maker. Step 1. Sign up or log into your RenderLion account. Then head over to the Text Ad to Video Maker page. Click Text Add to Video now, or, like I did, just hit Content to Video from the top menu for a quick start. Now, just paste your text ad into the input field. For this demo, I'm using a Spotify Premium promotion. I also uploaded an image to go with the ad, but you can totally leave it blank or add as many visuals as you like. Ready for the fun part? Click Generate and let RenderLion's AI do its thing, analyzing your ad, crafting a voiceover script, designing slides, and building your video. And voila! In just seconds, we've got our first set of animated video previews ready to go. Next, I clicked the Style button to show you how to apply a custom brand style to your video. If you've already saved a brand kit, this is where your fonts, logo, avatar, and colors come together, keeping your video 100% on brand. Don't have one yet? No worries. I went with a random style in this example, and it still looks great. Then I hit the Sound button to pick a background track. I kept it random and let the AI choose one that fits, but you can select a specific vibe if you prefer. Now it's time to fine-tune the content. Click on Edit Content to dive into the AI-generated layout based on your text ad. Here you can add, remove, or rearrange images, remove image backgrounds for a cleaner look, like I did, change the voice style, update the voiceover script, edit the text on each slide to match your messaging. Once you're happy, just click Update, and bam, your animated previews are refreshed instantly. And don't forget, RenderLion creates your video in 3 formats at once: square, portrait, and landscape. I switched mine to landscape mode for this demo, but you can preview and download in all formats anytime. Now let's unlock the real magic of RenderLion. Click the New Instant Hunt button, and in less than a second, you'll get a brand new set of 3 animated ad previews, each one generated from your promotional text. Hover over any preview to watch the animation in action. If something stands out, hit the Save button, and it'll be added to your My Videos section for later use. Keep clicking New Instant Hunt. It's like a creative slot machine. With each click, RenderLion generates fresh video variations with different styles, motion effects, and layouts, all tailored to your text ad. Spin as many times as you want until something really grabs your attention, just like I'm doing in this tutorial. And for me, this red-themed animated ad is the one. Let's click on it and see what's next. And there it is, an animated video ad preview that you can easily edit or reuse for future campaigns. Now, let's make it official. Click the Render to Download button to transform your preview into a high-resolution video ad, complete with voiceover and background music. Let's do the same for the other sizes. I switched to portrait mode, clicked Render to Download, and repeated the process for square format too. This way, I've got versions ready for any platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Rendering may take a few minutes depending on video length, effects, and server usage, but trust me, it's worth every second. And bam! My video ad, created from just a bit of text and one image, is done and ready to share. Bonus, RenderLion also gives you a set of thumbnail images for each video size. They're perfect for use on websites, product pages, emails, or any promo campaign. Just download and go. You can grab the video in any format you need. You're covered from every angle. And that's a wrap. I hope this quick walkthrough showed just how powerful and simple RenderLion is when it comes to creating animated video ads. Now, it's your turn. Head to RenderLion.com and start turning your text ads into scroll-stopping videos for free and in just minutes. Let your ads speak, move, and convert. Let your brand roar with RenderLion.